Hey everybody, this is Levgen, and today I would like to show you how to turn your design to the stencil very fast. Maybe it's not gonna be the best stencil, but it will be very fast, and when you don't have time to draw the stencil or you have, for example, good contrast and simple design, so you can use this option. Take the layer what you have of the design, duplicate it, open adjustments, take saturation turn off, then back to layers, duplicate this black and gray picture again, go to options of layers, choose color dodge, then another option of the same layer, choose invert, go to Gaussian blur, show it a little bit, so everything what you can see slightly gray will turn to black later. So yeah, let's do it like this. Then merge these two layers, go to curves, gamma, and drop the gamma down like this, more or less. So like I said before, maybe it's not the best but a stencil, but it's very fast way. So right now, if you want, we can compare these two stencils, and you can see, of course, outlines on left side is going to be very much more comfortable to work with it than on the right. But like I said, when you need it fast, it's boom, it's ready. So thank you so much. If this video was helpful for you, just thumbs up. If you have any questions, just comment it or write me a direct message. Thank you so much, and see you soon.